Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So today I'm coming to you with a little review of the pens that I bought and the watercolor paper. The pens were uh, the markers, the Sanjoki markers. It comes with this paper. We'll talk about that. They call it marker paper, professional marker book. Designed for alcohol markers. So I did tried to do some coloring last night. I did try to stamp. I'm still having issues with my eyes being blurry, so it was really hard. And hopefully this video is clear. So I want to show you guys what I stamped, and we'll talk about some of the stuff I have in here. This is my little decoupaged mini clipboard that I bought and decoupaged it a long time ago. So I keep my stampings on it, and these stampings were done a long time ago. These were done yesterday, and then I got the paper from the Sanjoki paper, more Sanjoki paper, and I think that's all I did. These are previous things I previously did. So I want to talk about it and talk about that's not Sanjoki paper, but that's cardstock, so we'll talk about that. The stampings were, I'm going to take off my glasses because they don't help at all. So this is Timo Globeland stamps. Oh, that doesn't matter. So I don't know if you can see them. They're pretty. They're really pretty. This is exactly what they look like. And I believe that's Timo Globeland. And I colored them with the different colors, and I got mixed feelings about these well, it's not the markers I think that I have, although I think I kind of do. I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about them right now. They didn't work the way I thought they would, but I'm still playing with them. I'm new to marker blending and all that, so I could be operator error. So I blended these, and I think they blended okay. The problem is that I stamped them and I let them sit maybe 15-20 minutes, and when I was blending them, they looked like messy. It didn't look like this really. It looked like all gray, and I wasn't happy with it, and that's kind of how I felt. It's like this is all mixed in gray together, and I'm not happy. So I'm not sure how I feel about them right now. I can't say I'm loving them. So, but I will talk about other things I stamped. So it could be the stamp. I did have a little issue stamping these a couple of times, especially this one. And I just said, well, let me just leave well enough alone. It stamped it. Let me get on with it. And I did use a stamping press. And then, so I thought I'd try it. And these are the two differences. I don't really think you can tell much of a difference, but you might be able to, because this is a Spellbinders stamp. And as you can see, this is the marker paper, nice and smooth. This is cardstock, also smooth, but it's brighter here. Let me see if I can get it closer. So I don't know if you can see that it's brighter. These leaves are brighter than this, just a tad, and you wouldn't really know it. Now here, this is brighter than this. This is kind of muddled, I think, with the ink, the black ink. And I tried to wipe it off on a napkin and then continue. And I think it's just you really have to let them dry. You're probably wondering what ink I used. I used this one, VersaFine. I think you can also use Memento Black, and I have that. So I'll try that and see if it gives me any better results. These will be fussy cut. So that all of this will be fussy cut. So as soon as my eyes get back, because I can't see very well. Now, here is another one. This is an Echo Park stamp, and I blended the colors as much as I could see to do. That's probably another thing is my eyes, because they're blurry. It's hard to see anything and to do anything right now. So I did blend these, and I thought they turned out pretty good. So this is, again, the marker paper. Now, one thing is, I don't like the marker paper. This is like copy paper, so I don't like it. I wanted more of a heavier cardstock. I'd rather have that. If you guys have ideas on paper, or maybe just cardstock is what I'll be using. I'm not too thrilled with. I thought maybe this would blend better, and I thought it did okay. I didn't think it was fantastic. Again, I didn't let it sit that long between, so that could be an issue, that I didn't let it sit too long. But I think it turned out okay and blended okay. I really like the cups. I think I did a pretty good job on the cups. So I like the cups. The flowers are okay, blended. There's still, you can see in between, like the demarcation line of the colors. So they didn't really blend in like I thought they would. So they're okay. Like I said, I'm not terribly, I don't hate them. I just am not crazy about them. So let me show you some more stuff. Did that. And then there was a couple more pieces I did from previous. See if I could find it. There's some previous things I had done. Where did I put them? So, previous things I'd stamped. Oh, here we go. So I had previously stamped these. So these are very, very dry. And there was no bleed of the stamp. So I liked it. Again, I'll fussy cut this. This was in Happy Mail, somebody sent me. And there was no bleed at all. So I was really happy. And I like this paper. It's smooth on this side, but it's got some tooth on this side. So it's a little more textured. And I do like it. So these will be cut out and put on cards. These are older things that I did. Now I did use a pen here, a Sanjoki pen, to blend this in. And I need to finish coloring her. And so I got to finish these. I got to finish coloring these. I'll try my colored pencils and see how they work. So the next thing will be a review on the colored pencils. These are for the Sanjoki pen. And then we'll go over some of these. I got lots of images here that I've done before that I got to cut out. But I don't want to talk too much about these because these are not anything I have right now. So these are just things I used from before, and I think we probably talked about it before when I did these. And I think these are my old watercolor pencils. Yeah, my old watercolor pencils. So we'll do some new ones, and I'll try, and then I'll show you guys that. So there's that. So that's my review on the Sanjoki markers. Now I want to talk about something I'm making, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. But this is a project. Let me get this out of the way. This is a project that I am working on for my nephew. When they were out, they live in another state. So when they came, we went to In-N-Out Burger. So we went to In-N-Out Burger, and this is from actual In-N-Out, from the fries. I got that cut that from the fries. I printed this. It's a little folio that I followed a tutorial online, and I'll put the link below so that you can see the tutorial. Mine's a little different because I put flaps on the outsides. I'll tell you guys what I mean. I put some magnets here, and then these are so it's made this way. This is the way it's made. However, I made these flaps. See these? I made these flaps so they have extra place to put pictures. And I'm going to be putting the pictures in their form of California pictures. And I went ahead and printed this off the internet and did red and yellow and white. And then there's going to be pictures, photos here. So in the original tutorial, she has this, and then I believe she has got a pocket here, and I forgot what she had over on this side. But I put in these here so that they'd have more pictures. So they'll have a picture here, here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe 7 here. I think I need to put another piece of white paper, and then they'll have pictures all on the inside. I'm going to put some, I have some little die cuts that I will be using. I can find them. Sorry, you guys. My eyes are still blurry, and I did pull them off. Here we go. So we also went to a Mexican bakery, and I had pictures. I had took pictures. Oh, well, I didn't take these pictures. These are off the internet. These are like the different pastries, and then I printed this off the internet. So what my plan is to do this is to put this here, and then put their picture like back here, like only glue it here, and then that'll leave them room to put the picture like that to hold it. So I'll want to do that. And then these are just little pictures of pastries. And I was thinking of, well, I was thinking of doing this. This is called the Little Pig. And, oops, there's a heart there. This is called the Little Pig. It's very good. And then putting it here, maybe this one here. I don't know. This is just because we went to the Mexican bakery as well when they came. They might go here somewhere, and I'm just not sure where I'm going to put these, but that's what we're going to do, because we went to a Mexican pastry bakery, and then we also went to a Peruvian restaurant. So I need to get the pictures developed or printed. They don't develop pictures anymore, but printed. I want to send them off to get printed. I know that I could do them on my computer, but I don't know how light fast they are. So I think I'll get either Shutterfly or Walgreens to do it. Anyway, this is going to be his card, his birthday card, with memories, memories of what we did over the summer. It was last year, and it's a big birthday, so want to do a nice card. So this is going to be a folio card for him. And like I said, it's easy. Not too many flaps, 2 extra flaps, 1 here, and that's it. And fold.